did not eat much dinner that night because she was too excited. She read the menu before she went to bed. I can't decide whether to have the British fish and chips or the French chicken, she said to her mom. Her mom laughed and joked. Maybe you can have one of each thing on the menu. During the night, Amna had a dream. She walked in the restaurant with her parents and sat at the table covered in a smart white cloth. They were there was a big tray in front of her, and a team of waiters started putting food on it. Amna began to eat. First, she tried some delicious Chinese dumpling and then some spicy Italian meatballs. Amna was happily enjoying the food, but the waiters continued to bring her more and more dishes. Each one piled high with amazing meal. Amna's mouth was full, her stomach was full, and she wanted to stop eating, but waiters kept bringing more and more food. Her parents, the restaurant owner, and her head teacher were all standing around the table saying, "Eat up, don't waste the food." ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ कि आमना जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी किस बारे में कि उन्होंने रेस्टोरेंट में जाना है, और उनको वो सोच रही थी कि वो अपनी मम्मा के साथ भी डिस्कस कर रही थी कि वो क्या खाएंगी, कि वो ब्रिटिश फिश और चिप्स खाएंगी या वो फ्रेंच चिकन खाएंगी. ठीक है. इसी तरह से वो बातें करते करते क्या है वो सो गई, और जब वो सोई तो उनको ख्वाब आया कि वो किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गई हैं और वहाँ पर एक टेबल है, उसके ऊपर वाइट कलर का उन्होंने बहुत प्यारा सा कपड़ा फिर बिछाया हुआ है, और फिर उसके बाद वेटर्स की जो लाइन लगी हुई थी वो डिफरेंट फूड उसके लिए लेकर आ रहे थे, और आमना जो है वो डिलीशियस फूड खा रही थी. वो इतना खा लिया उसने कि उसके मुंह भी भरा हुआ था, उसका पेट भी भरा हुआ था, लेकिन फिर भी उसके जो फादर थे, उनकी मदर थी, वो जो उनकी हेड टीचर थी, वो उसको ये कह रही थी कि तुम और खाओ और खाओ और खाएं. क्यों खाएं? क्योंकि डोंट वेस्ट द फूड, कि आपने खाना ज़ाया नहीं करना और आपने बचाना नहीं है, इसलिए आप इसको और खाएंगे. And the food kept piling up, and Amna had to keep eating. Her stomach had swollen up like a balloon. It was starting to hurt. "No more, please, no more," she shouted. Suddenly, Amna woke up. Her bed covers were twisted around her, and her hands were over her mouth. Her mother came into her room. "Come on, get ready. We have a lot to do before your special treat, and I need your help." "Mum, my stomach hurts," said Amna. "You are probably hungry," replied Mum. "Think of all the lovely things you can have at lunchtime." Amna groaned quietly and started to get ready. She ate a teeny breakfast and tried not to think about her dreams as she helped her parents with the course. By lunchtime, she was very hungry and was still a bit worried. At the restaurant, she looked at all the strange soundings name of the exotic dishes and listened to her parents talking about what they might have. Her parents seemed very happy, and Amna did not want to ruin it for them. Then she saw something and smiled. When the waiter came to take their order, Amna's father ordered a Moroccan stew, and her mother chose the Russian specialty. "And for you, ma'am?" asked the waiter. Amna said, I would like my favorite rice and curry, please." Her parents looked surprised and then laughed. "Excellent choice, madam," said the waiter. ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ कि आमना ख्वाब में थी, उतनी देर में उसकी मदर आ गई. उसकी मदर ने उसको उठाया. जब उसकी आंख खुली तो उसने अपने दोनों हाथ अपने मुंह के ऊपर रखे हुए थे, और चादर जो थी वो उसके गिर्द लिपटी हुई थी. मदर ने उसकी कहा कि आप जल्दी से तैयार हो जाएं, क्योंकि हमने आज आपकी ट्रीट है और आपने ट्रीट के लिए जाना है, आप जल्दी